Hi and welcome to Jim's Radio Shop. And today we're checking out this 1920s radio you see in front of me. And this is the first one of this vintage I've worked on. Never actually worked on a 1920s style radio. Two tuning knobs and a volume control and another knob which may have something to do with the detector. So these are the two tuning knobs. And here's the output for what I imagine would be headphones. So when we look inside it, I'm outdoors in case you're wondering why the light is the way it is. So we're doing this in sunshine. And so we see three tubes. Two of them are missing. This one says UX201A, 4-pin tube. Some other parts that are in here. Here's a capacitor with a grid leak resistor on it. Over here's another capacitor just behind here. And here we have two coils, and when I turn the knob at the front here, you can see the action in the coil. It turns it from being coaxial to being exactly the opposite. So that must affect the amount of interaction between the two coils from maximum to minimum. Down here is a transformer. Sunshine on that. There it is. It doesn't look like a transformer. It looks more like a no, I think it is a transformer. One wire, two wires, yeah, 3, 4 wires. So it's a transformer. There's a tag on it, but I can't read it. There's a tag right down here. These tube I'm having these were made in Cleveland, although the radio says it was made in Toronto, which is quite possible. There's the tuning capacitor. It's in very good shape. Down here is a binding post, antenna, ground, A-, A+, B-, B+ detector, and B+ amplifier. Now the screw is up on this. I don't know the history behind this radio. Don't really know too much about it. Not too much to it, really. So my project will be to get this guy working. I will be able to get the tubes, so I'm not worried about that. I notice the wire here that appears to be reaching for this connection. I'm not sure why it would be like that. These are very stiff wires. The insulation it's like a plastic coating of some sort, and still some flexibility in it. And this wire's loose under here. This doesn't look right. Let's spin it around here and get some sunshine on that. And when we look here, first this transformer is only mounted on one. You know, that's not original. I think that's what that means. Or maybe it's to be rotated or something. Well, there's a screw there. We'll hold it right like that. Oh, look. And then the wire would reach. So it looks like this thing got whacked over there or something like that and broke this wire. Yes, this one has been repaired. Some tape on it. Some kind of Something's been dropped or dripped into the radio. Not a real dusty guy, is it? Cabinet's coming apart here. So, the front sticker here says Monarch. The word Monarch is completely gone here. Radio Corporation, Toronto, Canada. So I am outside of Toronto, so this probably is a Toronto-built radio using some American manufactured parts. I think it's pretty hopeful to get this guy going, because it really doesn't seem to be in too bad shape. Unfortunately, I can't find out anything about it, any more information about it other than what you see right in front of you. Let's turn it around this way. Let the sun shine in. So here you can see the two controls at the front are wire wound resistors. Yeah, so I'm pretty hopeful to get this guy going, even though I've never worked on something like this. It looks pretty straightforward to me. So that's the checkout of the Monarch radio. And you'll be seeing more about this as I work on it in future steps. Thanks for watching.